Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe for an easy wild rice salad that's full of flavour and it's super simple to put together. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations. You can use the ingredients I'm going to share today, or you can adapt it to your own tastes, budget and dietary requirements. And also be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this rice salad a try and what you think of it. So I've got wild rice over here. It is a wonderful nutritious ingredient to cook with. I found this at my supermarket here for only €1.35 for this bag, so it's quite affordable ingredient when you're looking for something that's whole food. And my instructions say cook it for 40 to 45 minutes, so that is what I'm going to do, but yours might be different, so just cook it according to the directions. And I'll cook it in a bit, but I'll just chat you through the other ingredients that are going into the salad. I've got some spinach for some lovely greens. I'm going to make a bit of a vinaigrette to go over it. I tend to pour it straight over, as you'll see later on in the video, but I'll just chat you through what I'll be using. I've got apple cider vinegar over here. I've got salt. You can use salt, pepper, any seasoning you want. I've got maple syrup there. I'm just going to use barely a teaspoon of it just to balance the flavors, but you can leave it out or you could swap it for a different sugar or sweetener if you want. I've got extra virgin olive oil, a little drizzle to give it flavor, and for more flavor I'm adding in orange. I'm going to use the zest and a bit of juice of orange. You can swap that for lemon or lime if you want to instead. And I am using this lovely feta to crumble over to just give it some extra protein and flavor and nutrition, but you could leave it out. If you want the salad to be dairy free, or you could use a dairy free alternative, you could use a different type of cheese, goat's cheese, some parmesan. You can also add in nuts, cranberries, but that'll all be in the blog post down below for you. But I'm going to get started by cooking the wild rice. So yeah, cook it according to the directions. This is a 150 gram bag, which is about a cup, and I'm going to cover it with about 4 cups of water. Bring it up to the boil and then let it simmer to 40 to 45 minutes until they start bursting open and it's done. Then drain it, cool it a bit, and the next step will be putting everything together. So I'm going to show you next once the rice is all cooked and I'm ready to prep all the other ingredients for my salad. I've cooked the wild rice and I've drained it, rinsed it. You can see if you fluff it up with a fork, it's beautiful and just full of nutrition. And so I'm just going to let it drip dry for a few minutes and then we'll move it into the container that I'll be making the salad in. So I'm using this glass dish for my salad, and I'm just going to pop all of that wild rice in. And next make a bit of room on the side over there. We're going to pop a couple of handfuls of spinach there, which we will eventually toss together. Next I've got a microplane grater. I'm going to grate over the zest of the orange. And you can see the beautiful orange zest, and I'm going to add in orange juice. So I'm going for half an orange. I'm squeezing it over a sieve to catch any pips. You can feel free to use lemon, lime. I just love it with orange. Oh, there's a big mighty pip there. Perfect. I'm going to give it an initial toss through. Now you could make the dressing separately, but I like keeping an eye on it, how it's going, and adding one ingredient at a time. Starting with the apple cider vinegar, I'm going to go a very shallow tablespoon just to give that lovely flavour. And then just depends how much juice came out of your orange, how much olive oil you want to add. I'm going to just go for 2 tablespoons. Give that a toss through. And I'm going to add just a teaspoon of maple syrup just to balance all those flavors. Not even a teaspoon. Salt. You can add pepper as well if you want, any other seasoning you'd like to taste. give it another toss through. That's perfect, and now all that's left to do is add on the feta. I've cubed up the feta, and you can just dot as little or as much as you like. And the last little piece going on, and that's my perfect wild rice salad, full of flavour, just so nutritious too. And if you pop a fork into it, you see when you grab everything all together, there's the lovely rice and the feta. It just makes such an incredible meal you can enjoy straight away, or pop it in the fridge and enjoy it within a day or so. But yeah, it just is always such a hit with all who try it. An incredible salad full of wild rice and nutrition. That is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching how to make this lovely wild rice salad. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.